Are you tired of spending hours sanding wood by hand, only to end up with uneven finishes and sore arms? If you're looking for a powerful, fast, and efficient way to smooth out surfaces, then you need the best belt sander in your workshop. Whether you're a professional woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or just starting out, the right belt sander can save you time, effort, and frustration while delivering perfectly smooth results every time. In this video, we're reviewing the top 4 best belt sanders you can buy on Amazon right now. We've tested and compared them based on power, durability, ease of use, and overall performance to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. From the heavy-duty Makita 9403 to the affordable yet powerful when-corded belt sander, we've got something for every budget. Stick around until the end of the video because we're also sharing pro tips on how to get the most out of your belt sander, whether you're refinishing furniture, sanding floors, or working on intricate woodworking projects. Make sure to check the description box and the first comment below for direct links to each product we mention in this video. We've found the best deals available right now, so grab yours before they sell out. And if you love tool reviews, woodworking tips, and home improvement content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started with our first pick for the best belt sander. Makita 9403 4x24 belt sander. If you're looking for the absolute best belt sander for heavy-duty sanding, the Makita 9403 4x24 T. Belt sander is the undisputed king of performance and durability. With a powerful 11 amp motor, this beast can handle even the toughest sanding jobs with ease. Whether you're working on hardwood floors, large furniture pieces, or extensive woodworking projects, the Makita 9403 delivers professional-grade results every time. One of its standout features is the extremely low noise level at just 84 decibels. It's one of the quietest belt sanders in its class, making it a favorite among professionals. The wide 4-inch belt covers more surface area, reducing sanding time, while the labyrinth construction protects the motor from dust and debris, ensuring a longer lifespan. Its front grip handle provides excellent control and balance, making it easy to maneuver even on large surfaces. If you want a high-quality, durable, and incredibly powerful belt sander, the Makita 9403 is worth every penny. Check the link in the description and the first comment to grab yours today. When-corded belt sander. For those who need a high-performing belt sander at an affordable price, the when-corded belt sander is a top pick. This 7-amp powerhouse offers incredible sanding performance without breaking the bank. It features variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the speed based on your project needs, making it perfect for everything from rough sanding to fine finishing work. The lock-in safety switch ensures continuous operation without finger strain, while the adjustable front handle provides extra comfort and control. One of its best features is the built-in dust collection system, which keeps your workspace clean by efficiently sucking up sawdust as you work. If you're a DIYer, homeowner, or occasional woodworker, this sander gives you professional results at a fraction of the price. Check the description box for the best deal available. SKIL belt sander. When it comes to speed, precision, and ease of use, the SKIL belt sander stands out. With a 6-amp motor and an auto-tracking belt system, this sander stays aligned without constant adjustments, making sanding fast and hassle-free. The pressure control technology is a game-changer. It monitors the pressure you apply and gives real-time feedback, ensuring a smooth, even finish without gouging the wood. This makes it ideal for beginners who want a foolproof way to achieve professional quality results. Its microfiltration dust collection system captures even the finest sawdust particles, keeping your workspace clean and reducing airborne dust. The ergonomic soft grip handle makes long sanding sessions comfortable and strain-free. If you want a fast, efficient, and user-friendly belt sander, the SKIL belt sander is a top contender. Check the link in the description to order yours today. CRAFTSMAN belt sander. For woodworkers who need a reliable heavy-duty belt sander, the CRAFTSMAN belt sander is a fantastic option. Powered by a powerful 7-amp motor, this sander delivers high-speed sanding performance, making it perfect for large surfaces, hardwoods, and intense refinishing jobs. One of its standout features is the tool-free belt release system, allowing for quick and effortless belt changes. The angled belt design makes it easier to sand close to edges and corners, making it ideal for furniture refinishing and flooring projects. It also comes with a dust collection bag to keep your workspace clean. If you're looking for a powerful, durable, and easy-to-use belt sander, the CRAFTSMAN belt sander is a solid investment. Check the description for the best price available now. So there you have our top picks for the best belt sanders on the market today. Whether you need heavy-duty power like the Makita 9403, an affordable and efficient option like the Wen-corded belt sander, a precision-driven tool like the SKIL belt sander, or a heavy-duty workhorse like the CRAFTSMAN belt sander, there's a perfect belt sander for every budget and project. But remember to check the description box in the first comment below for direct links to these products. We found the best deals available right now, so don't miss out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews. Let us know in the comments which belt sander you're planning to buy, or if you have a favorite brand we should review next.